on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the kitchen with yours truly, Noel Arevalo. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 quick and healthy meal prep recipes. Everything as far as the macros go and the ingredients within all of the recipes will be down below in the description box. The first recipe is going to be broccoli stir fry. So it's going to be 8 ounces of lean turkey, the leanest turkey that you can find. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and then we're gonna go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to cook it in. And then we're going to add, for some flavor, some Himalayan sea salt, some pepper, a little bit of soy sauce, and then we're going to put in half a bowl of baby carrots, and then we're going to do a full medium bowl of some broccoli. And then, it doesn't end there, we're gonna do half a medium onion and a full lime for some juice. And yeah, that's everything that's gonna be in it. I've never cooked this before and I don't cook, so wish me luck, but this is for you guys. Alright.
Bitch, here we go. Just County on a roll. Yeah, stick to the code. These bitches, they know. Them boys from the beach ain't no joke. I roll up that.
Alright, I think we're Gucci. Now we start cooking. Alright, guys, now that we have chopped up all the vegetables, we're gonna go ahead and take the next step, which is we're going to saute the lean turkey in some soy sauce. Yes, some soy sauce and some minced garlic. I love garlic. And then we're gonna go ahead and preheat the pan. I don't know if you preheat the pan. Turn on the stove and add the coconut oil into the pan. Also add in all the vegetables and stir them up. Add in some salt and add in some pepper on top of those for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then the meat will be sauteed by then. And then we're gonna take the meat, put it in the pan, and voila, begin cooking. Noel Chef Boyardee. Yummy! And there we have it, folks. Yummy, yummy vegetables getting those micronutrients. Yes, ma'am. And I didn't fail. Yes. This is looking good. This is looking good. Ta-da! Down. I'm bringing the down back. We're gonna go ahead and add in a little bit more of the coconut oil to cook the lean turkey in, because now it is sauteed, so it is time to cook the meat. The protein, the most important part. So we're gonna go ahead and add this little bad boy in there. Little help, there we go. Oh, there we go. Gonna mix this up a little bit until it melts. Protein. Adding in the meat. It's probably been sauteing for about 10 minutes and the garlic smells delish. So excited and ready for this. Time for some lime. Not to chase tequila with. They are for our stir fry. Woo! So the meat is sizzling hot and ready. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in the bowl. It's official, I am a chef after 1 successful meal. What's happening? Noel Chef Boyardee. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the veggies up in her. Get all those micronutrients. Then we're gonna go ahead and squeeze the lime as much as we can. Good thing I lift. Wow, that actually smells amazing. Get all those juices. Mix it on up. Voila! Your stir-fry, low-cal broccoli stir-fry. So this is it. Let's go ahead and try a taster test. And I would say this would prep you about 5 or 6 meals in like a good medium-sized Tupperware. So let's go ahead and try it. Oh my god. Hold on. Proud of myself. That is so good. Everything will be linked below in the description box for all of these recipes, guys. Let me eat this whole one up. Bye. Drum roll, please! And for the second recipe that I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm actually really excited about it, if you can't tell. It's almost like a treat, and it could be a go-to, on-the-go morning meal. Why did it take me so long to say that? But anyways, so it's almost like a treat because of the ingredients in it, but it also has rolled oats in it, and I'm going to show you guys what is in it. And it is going to be cocoa hazelnut energy bites. So the ingredients that are going to be in is 1 teaspoon of some sea salt, some Himalayan sea salt, and then we're going to have a ½ cup of this organic hazelnut spread with cocoa in it. And then we're going to have some organic virgin coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of this. And then we're going to do some honey, 1 tablespoon of this guy. And then we're going to do some flax, 2 tablespoons of ground flax. I promise it's more appetizing than it looks, guys. And then we're gonna do some rolled oats. I'm trying to cook here, can't you see? It could be rolled oats, but I actually picked these up at Sprouts, and hopefully you guys have a Sprouts near you because I am like actually really excited. I found these. They're called super oats, and they have nuts, they have chia seeds and quinoa in them, and they also are high protein. So it's called Love Grown Super Oats, and the macros on it are really good. 4.5 grams of fat, and that's good fat. 25 grams carb and 7 protein. So definitely you should go and get this stuff even just for normal oats. And that is going to be what we make. So you're gonna see me make it right now. Let's do this.
West side where my coast is. We stay right by the ocean, where the parties be so lit. Small tree in the open, keep a bad one from Oakland. She stay talking emotion, ayy, ayy, but she still.
Look at how beautiful that is. Ugh. Who needs a boyfriend when you got this?
Hey, hey, when I'm on the phone, all I do.
And now we do the mixing. So it's that simple. That is everything that goes in the energy bite balls, and we are going to see if this works out or not. So mix it, mix it, mix it. It's looking good. Look at that. Boom! This looks absolutely promising. So next what we do, just gonna leave the spoon in there for convenience. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. See you when it's done. All right, guys, and there you have it. Cocoa hazelnut energy bites. These things literally smell so promising. I probably said that like 20 times. But anyways, so something that I wanna make a point of is that this does have coconut oil in it, and it does have hazelnut spread. So be careful, because it's taken me like probably 3 times of putting it back in the microwave, and then it was too mushy to actually create the balls out of it, and then putting it in the freezer and leaving it too long in there. So it's at a good consistency right now, I would say. So super simple, just like this, and voila. And I literally cannot wait to eat one of these because they smell delicious. This simple. And again, all the macros and ingredients are gonna be just, they're gonna be in the description box, okay guys? So, depending on how much ingredients you actually put in there, if you use this, those are gonna be very close to the macros that it would be, okay? So this is gonna create us, let's see how many balls this is gonna create us. 8 energy bite balls, and I'm going to try one. Damn! So good. All right, people, so we are finally on the 3rd meal prep recipe for you guys. This one is probably going to be the most simple out of the 3. So I'm just gonna show you what is in the ingredients. So it's pretty much zucchini noodle turkey pasta. Zucchini noodle turkey pasta. I don't know if that's how I would word it, but yes, that's essentially what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the ingredients that I'm going to be putting in it. So again, it's going to be 8 ounces of lean ground turkey. You wanna make sure to try and get lean, or so that's gonna up the fat within the macros. And then we're going to do a tablespoon of some minced garlic. Garlic is always good to mix in with meats, just adds a whole bunch of flavor to it. I'm going to add a little bit of Himalaya salt and also some pepper, again, for some extra flavor. And then seasoned salt, a little bit of that. And then, so this is going to be essentially the pasta part of it. It's literally stringed zucchini. I just got this packaged. It's organic zucchini noodles, and I got it from Costco, but you can literally get zucchini, and then there is a tool called like a Twizzler. I don't know what it's called. But anyways, it'll get the noodles like this for you, but I just thought that this was really convenient, so I picked this up. And then, yes, and then I am using organic pizza sauce. It should just be normal like spaghetti sauce, but whatever. Pizza sauce actually usually has better macros on it, so that is why I'm going to go ahead and use this, and it tastes identical. So without further ado, we're gonna get started on this last recipe for you.
Got your shotgun in my right, got my hand up on that thigh.
We're gonna go ahead and put in this lean ground turkey. Smells delicious. Garlic on everything is my tip, one of my life tips for you guys. So good, makes everything so flavorful. And then we're gonna go ahead and put in this entire bag. This is 12 ounces of organic zucchini noodles. Super simple to get them pre-made, or you can make them yourself, which I'm sure isn't too hard. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. Bam! Weigh out a serving of this organic pizza sauce. Again, if you pick up pizza sauce for this, it actually has better macros, like lower calorie macro or lower calories, as opposed to getting just normal spaghetti sauce. So make sure you pick up some pizza sauce. Okay, I've got to turn that on first for it to work. And then I'm gonna weigh it out. 1 serving. Yes. So 2 servings of pizza sauce. And then we're gonna mix it all in. And there you have it, guys. Super simple. Like I said, this is probably the most easiest recipe out of the 3. It's just literally organic zucchini noodles, some turkey with a little bit of seasoning on it, and some pizza sauce. So I ended up putting in 2.5 servings of pizza sauce because there was just a lot more noodles than I anticipated. So there you go, girl. Go get your body on. Yeah. Does that make sense? Keep that shape, girl, with this low calorie, essentially pasta. So this is going to be zucchini turkey noodle pasta. Turkey zucchini pasta. All right, you guys, and there you have it. So these are gonna be the 3 quick and easy recipes that I went through in this video. Again, everything is going to be in the description box as far as macros go and as far as ingredients in each of them. So around these probably each maybe take at most like maybe 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes to make. So there you have it. We have our zucchini turkey pasta, lean turkey, and then we have our broccoli stir fry with turkey, and then we have our cocoa hazelnut energy bites. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super excited to start bringing you more recipe things. I actually discovered that I like cooking today, and the one thing that I thought the reason why I didn't like cooking is because it's very time consuming, and we can never have enough time, you know? But I actually really enjoyed making this stuff for you guys today. So if you want to see more videos like this, please comment yes below, and also don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, to see this face some more, and catch you guys in the next video. Love you. Mwah!